and be cool as Mike. So I think we're good.
Oh, I should not be the benchmark for cool, my man. You got. Look, I don't have a cool hat like you do. Yeah, no, we're
My
doing
hair's a
good.
hot mess, and my earphones get too hot, so I gotta. It's a system. You figure
It's a
it out.
system. It's a system, guys. It's a
Yeah,
system. All right.
it's
So
something.
this session, we are going to learn how to swap cookie cutter posts for scroll stopping stories. And in this tutorial, we're going to crack open GPT-powered workflows that turn raw member insights into imaginative articles, emails, and social threads without draining your bandwidth. You're going to see real prompts, remix techniques, and guardrails that keep your brand voice intact while AI does all the heavy lifting. And you're going to walk away with repeatable frameworks to spark fresh content ideas, shape narrative arcs, and keep your community talking long after the post goes live. So, Elijah, tell us, who are you dialing this in for? What is like the main dream, hope, ideal state you want people to walk away with feeling at the end of this session?
There's a lot going on for community admins, right? You have this bootstrapping thing that you pour your heart and soul into. Even translates into small businesses. You're a solopreneur, you're somebody with a small team, and there's only so much cash to go around. I'd love to make it rain like the Heartbeat community members that are, six figures and above, but not everybody's there yet. And it'll take time, and that's okay. So for those people, how do you maximize your time without putting up a bunch of crap that you're not proud of? So I'm hoping to get you 80% of the way there, give you some ideas and framework. And then maybe, Mike, if we can figure out how to put some of those frameworks in the hearth later, that Heartbeat community, to be able to go back and celebrate, have fun, and then maybe ask some questions in the community, and we can kind of, hashtag figure it out.